Good evening, everyone. So it's me back again, Saif, and I hope everyone is doing all right. So right now, today again, a new month and new things and everything, and a new strategies also with two indicators, one strategies. Of course, I'm teaching you same as always, trying to make you learn for the newcomers, new beginners, and everything. So let's start it. The rules have been same that I've explained on the previous videos. Just you need to step by step copy my strategies, how I'm doing it, learn it, how to open the trade also, learn it, how to close the trade also. That is also really important because many of the times people don't understand when I'm opening it right now. So do listen carefully when, why, and how I'm doing it. Okay. And by the way, one of the most important thing, guys, all the links for my both signals, VIP channels, YouTube has been down given below. So all you need to know is everything, that all the things and details, and if you want to keep watching it, keep learning it, the strategies and everything, you just need to keep down below. Let's start. All you need to do is open pocket option. First we will choose indicators, that is Bollinger Width, bands. All you need to do the settings here. Settings will be period you need to do is 22, styles you need to do is 2px, and save. And the second indicator we'll be using is alligator. Alligator is also one of my favorite because it's really easy to read and it really goes with indicators like RSI, Bollinger bands, CCI. It's really helpful because one, it shows it very nicely and amalgamates really properly. So let's go. Alligator, all you need to do is just change the styles, and here 2px. Here you can make it red if you like the color red, or whatever color you preferable, and here also you make it 2px. I'll keep it blue. Default everything alligators inputs. Styles you just need to change it to the width 2px. So let's go. Time is 30 seconds. Candles has been set on the 15 seconds. So step by step as we proceed, we'll step by step keep checking it. Okay, so here you can see the Bollinger band, how it was been dropped to the linear one, and how here it was been dropped from here. So the thing is, this is the thing that has been showing is both the things, so it's not suitable for us. Second one, here you can see there was a dip for the Bollinger band also, and here, so it is the best thing to take an upward trade right now, because here also you can see how the alligator was been going upward side from not been overlapping it, and here also Bollinger was been doing it. So this is the best time to take an upward trade also, because both the indicator was showing one result. The thing about this is, but both the indicator shows one result to us, and then we take a short trade, and that is the thing, and as you can see how we have taken this also into a way. So of course 960, we have a good profit here right now with $500. It's 960. So let's go find it a new currency for us which is suitable and which both the indicator shows us to be a same manner. So right now I'll read this chart for you also with the Bollinger. As you can see here, it was been dipped. Here again it was been a dip, and here again it was been a dip, and here as you can see, so it's riskable for us because the Bollinger bands were not showing it into a way. So let's go try this out. We need to find a good one. Here the Bollinger band also took a dip here on this, and here it was, the timing period was 45 as it took a dip. So this also is a really feasible trade to take a downward trade, guys, because the reason I took here also a downward trade, as you can see here how it was the green, red and blue for alligators was been overlapping, and here also how it was been taken a dip, and this is the reason I took here also a downward trade. So this is the reason you need to how to understand it step by step. Watch closely all the both the indicators, why I took a downward trade also here, and why, what is the reason also. So I always try to explain it why and this. So again plus 960. See, step by step, slow by slow, we are going it into a way. So let's go find out a currency for the third one. Let's go find out a currency step by step which is suitable for us. By the way, guys, most important discussion that I always wanted to share with you, all the links have been given down for the YouTube, my Telegram, my VIP chats, everywhere where I keep passing signals. All the guys, it goes crazy sometimes, because it's a lot of fun also. Everyone is having a profit, all are earning money at the pack. So everything, do click the link down below. I'll be waiting for your messages, and I reply to all the messages personally, so it's not anything, all the questions, all the queries I'll be answering you. So let's go, let's see, check it out. Here it was really a big dip, and here as you can see it really a kind of strange situation for the year also, because see, as a green line it was been there. So here it's a good time to take a downward trade. I'll explain you why, guys, because Bollinger Band was been spicked here and it again went to the downward side, and how these two alligators was been overlapping. So that is the reason I took a downward trade also here. So this is the reason I took a downward trade also into a way. So you need to understand both into a way how some of the things that matches both with the indicators, So this is the thing. And here, as you can see, and again 960, so we have a good profit right now. So we will take one more trade right now, and it will be really good and feasible for us. So let's go take in one more trade. That is what I wanted to make you understand, that how both of this is really important. And here it's also the Bollinger Band seems to be spiking up, but it's not good for us. Here also it seems to be really risky, as I explained you, not good for us. Here also it seems to be a good thing, because it has been dipped down. So, and you can see how the alligator has been lapping it into a way. So here we can preferably try to make a downward trade, and here I took a downward trade basically because, as you can see, how preferably all the alligators was been there, and how Bollinger Band's width was been crossing it up from the side. So that is what the reason I wanted to let you know, that why especially I took here a downward trade also. So as you can see how the Bollinger Bands again has been spiking down, because as you can show, the alligator was also been showing it into three ways form here, that it was been dropping down. So that's why I took a downward trade again. So plus 735. So that is what the thing, guys. So this is the reason I wanted to let you know why I always try to make it so possible into a way that this kind of trade we are making it amalgamation and making it right. So thank you so much. So this is the thing that I wanted to let you know. So do subscribe my channel and everything. I'll let you know. So I'll be waiting for you with more of the strategies and everything. Thank you so much. Have everything. Good evening. Thank you so much.